Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove bird droppings from your vehicle paint. If you leave it on too long, it will damage the clear coat and then your paint. I'm going to be using this Turtle Wax bug and tar remover. This works great on the bird droppings. The first step is to rinse the area, and I'm doing this before the car wash. And then coming in with the Turtle Wax bug and tar remover and just spraying the droppings and be a little bit generous and let it sit. I let it sit for 15 minutes because it was not too hot outside. I'm coming in with this sponge that has a little screen on it. It won't damage my paint because it's not sharp or anything. So I'm just going in there just lightly because the product is so great. It just removed it instantly. And then just rinse and continue with your car wash. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.